So I'm getting ready because I have to meet up with my best friend, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do when I do. Damn, the light's too bright. Let's bring it down. Yeah, I'm in my beauty room. Lo tenía en mi cartera. I always forget. It's been in my purse for like ever. And my vlog. I look crazy. It's raining, okay? It's raining? I can't iron my hair. It's drizzling. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do, my daily makeup routine. Ugh, my background looks so ugly. I'm sorry, guys. My room, my beauty room right now is kind of like a storage space for some of my dad's equipment and my stuff, and then it's also a makeup storage. So lately I've been using this foundation, and God, I love this foundation. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I used to love the L'Oreal True Match, but no, this is the shit, okay? Excuse my language. So this is the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline Fit Me. And the color that I've been using, I've been going from 228 and 238. Right now I'm using 228 because I'm a little lighter. So what I do is I basically just dot it all over my face, and I like to put very little because that way I get less oily. You know, lately I haven't been using a primer. If I do use one, I've been using the Skin Refine Zone just so that my foundation lasts like really long. But I feel like the less amount of product I put on my face, like the better. I feel like primers, because they're meant to make your foundation stay, they clog your pores a little quicker. So if I can refrain from not using a primer that day, like I won't. I've actually turned into eyebrow pencils. If you guys have been watching me, I used to always use like brow gel or eyeshadow, and now I'm just with just a regular brow pencil. So I'm gonna be using this brow pencil is by MAC. They just came out with it. They didn't just come out with it, they actually reformulated it and made it a little bit better. So this is the eyebrow styler in Tapered, and it's kind of just like a dark brown. And whoa. So what they did was they added a brush and then they fixed the tip. So now it goes up and down. Before, it would kind of just go up and not come back down, and it would break very easily. So now it's a lot better. So I'm really messy with it. Like I kind of just brush up. Am I focused? Make sure. Like I kind of just brush up and to the side. Like I just follow my natural hairline. So aside from filming this for you guys, I'm also filming a vlog for today. I have a lot to tell you guys. If you guys only knew, if you guys watched my vlog from yesterday, you would know that my car got messed up. You guys need to go watch that vlog after this so you guys can see what was actually wrong with my car. Like, this only happened to me. Just go watch it. Just go watch it. Okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in. I finished both of my eyebrows, and I'm gonna go in with brow gel. It's supposed to be clear, but because I use it over like eyeshadow and stuff, it turns dark. So lately I've been liking my eyebrows a little bit more sparse. So I've kind of just been brushing them up, so they look a little bit more natural. So now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Age Rewind. I used to use this a long time ago, actually, in previous videos, and I recently just came back to it. And I'm like almost out already. I've been going through so much of it. So I'm gonna just slightly shape my eyebrow, not too much. Okay, so today I'm going to be using as my eye primer Soft Ochre, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit of it on. Again, I'm going for a very simple look. This would usually take me 20 minutes, but it's taking me a lot longer because I'm actually like walking you guys through it. And then I'm going to take just my regular, the powder that I use to set my concealer, and a 252 brush, and I'm just gonna set my brow bone. so that my eyeshadow blends a little bit better. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow palette that I have. I actually custom made this eyeshadow palette. So it's really mostly just mattes, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here. I believe this is Wedge and this is Cork. So this is Wedge and then this is Cork. I'm gonna be taking this one first and then I'm gonna be putting that one on right after. So, and I'm using a Morphe M505 brush. And I just start in my crease. This hasn't changed much. I do the same eyeshadow look all the time. And then I'm gonna take Cork. I'm gonna put it just all over my eyelid. And I haven't done my concealer yet because I like to be really messy when it comes to my eyeshadow, because if I do my concealer first and then I do my eyeshadow, it just takes that much longer because I have to be really careful to not get it on my under eye. And you can see how messy I am with this. And I just keep layering it until I get to the intensity that I want. Just those two colors. And that's it. And then I'm gonna take my favorite, you guys can only imagine how much of a mess my desk is right now by hearing everything. I'm gonna take this Prolongwear pencil in Definitely Black and just be putting that in my waterline. Lately I usually do brown, but today I kind of feel like going with black. And then this hasn't changed. I've been doing this for ages. So this is my Peach Luster. It's basically like an orange pen. And if you can see, I have really translucent skin here. Like my skin under my eyes is very veiny, so I have to use something orange to kind of contradict the blue, so that when I put my concealer, because it has that orange tint to it, it doesn't turn blue. So that way it covers a little bit better. And I'm going to be going in with my Adria wine. This is in color Sand. This is like the perfect color for me. Because lately I haven't been liking my under eye very light. Like I kind of have just been liking it slightly lighter or like the same color. And then I just blend it out. I'm telling you, this is like the super quickest makeup ever. I go in with this Hello Flawless powder by Benefit in the color Ivory. And I kind of just take the powder and press it under my eye. And the excess, I just put it on my forehead. And I like using the sponge just because I think it like really pushes in the product. I use Fix Plus after my makeup, in between my makeup, before my makeup. Like I just use it all the time. So right now, right after I always set my eyes, I always spray some Fix Plus. And then while that's drying, I'll do my under eye. And I'm just gonna go in with that Wedge and Cork. And my camera's overheating. So I'm just gonna finish this and I'm gonna put on my mascara. You guys, my camera's overheating, so you probably won't be able to see that. Okay, so I just finished my mascara. If you're wondering, I have a little bit of a highlight there. I actually went in with this color right here. That color is called Nylon, so I just went in with this brush and just popped a little bit right up there. And right now I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer. Like I kind of just crazily put it on. Again, because this is my everyday makeup, like I'm really messy with it. Because since it's not like a huge event, like I'm kind of just meeting up with my best friend. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. And then I like to put it on my neck. One thing I hate is I hate putting foundation on my neck. And then I'm going to be using the same brush. Oh, this is a 135 brush, by the way, super dirty. And then I'm going to be going in with this blush right here. That color is called Melba. And I just put a little bit on my cheekbones. Again, you guys can see how messy I am with this. Like, one thing about makeup is I feel like there's not like a perfect spot for you to put makeup. So you should be like, because then makeup comes out uneven. It's good to just kind of brush it, feather it on. And then I'm gonna be spraying my face again. I always spray again right before highlighter just because I feel like it's so important. I feel like it makes a difference. Sorry, while that dries, I'm gonna brush my hair. And then I'm gonna be doing my lips in my room because my favorite lipstick is in my purse right now. So now that that's done, I'm gonna be going in with Soft and Gent. This is an oldie but a goodie. I recently just came back to this highlighter. This is Soft and Gentle by MAC. And I'm going to be using a 128 brush, which looks like this. I'm going to be using this side. And I just swipe it ever so slightly. Here, let me bring up the brightness so you guys can see. See how I kind of press it? Like, I don't like to swipe it because I feel like you can see it more when you press it. And I don't like to put it on my forehead anymore just because I feel like when I get oily, it makes it look worse. So I'm going to go back in with Melba. And I'm just going to kind of brush under it. Like, I'm not brushing over it, I'm brushing under it with a little bit of Melba. Just so that they kind of merge together and it doesn't look like a solid line of highlighter. And then I'm gonna spray one more time. The last spray is usually like the best one. Okay, so that's it. I haven't done my lips yet. I'm gonna do my lips now when I get into the room. I'll take you guys. I have to come film here because I had my lipstick in my purse, so I didn't feel like coming to go get it, and I have to change here anyway, so I just brought the camera. I'm gonna be going in with Subculture lip pencil and half and half lipstick. It's funny because it looks kind of brown here, but on my lips it always looks more pink. Super weird. I like to overdraw. And then I'm gonna go in with half and half. Okay, so let's bring you to in front of a window so you guys can actually see everything that I did. Alright, this is like a spontaneous video, so the lighting is like terrible. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Here's a close-up. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like it down below and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this one, or if you guys have a special request of anything that you guys would like to see. I really enjoyed filming this for you guys, and I'm really happy. I can't wait for more videos. Make sure that you watch the vlog because I am vlogging today. It's just going to be a completely separate video. So I'll see you guys later.